May pre-admission ba? Okay.
Today, we're going to feature something much greater in scheme because it's going to cover the whole Philippines. And our chef, Chef Jamel Chor, will help us with that. Alright, yung mga tao dito sa gitna, can you make some noise? Yeah, alright. Claim your seats kasi mamaya punuan ito. Alright? Alright, well done. Thank you. Nice. Thank you for being here. Welcome. Alright. And of course, this is the man of the hour, Attorney Gio Gomez. Why don't you say hi to the Madlang people? Alright. Come on, brother. Okay, yes. Okay, if you're looking for some mangga, ito si Ann.
Hello, magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Umaga kasi laging mayroong maganda sa panimula ng araw natin. So ito po ang aming Zenny's products, ang aming latest products, ang purple sweet potato chips, ang cashew nuts, lime and spices, and ang coco mello made from caramelized coconut chips. So mabibili nyo po agad yan sa mga convenience stores ng Petron Treats and online stores po. And ito yung ito po yung latest products namin. And kapag bumili kayo ng Zenny's products, hindi lang po ang company ang sinusuportahan nyo, kundi ang mga local farmers, solo parents, working mothers, senior citizens, at mga working students. Welcome po sa ANZ Food Products booth. And loud and proud, we are from Los Baños showcasing our heritage products. So, ang aming mga best sellers po, aside from adobo peanuts, which is ito po yung aming first product, mother product namin. Yan. And then followed by yung banana chips, but ubus na po siya, so ito yon. And then we also have the purple sweet potato chips, and our newest flavor ng cashew nuts and lime and spice. And we also have the coco mello. So mind you guys, ang aming products, ang recipe na yan ay meron ng 30 years formulation. So subok na subok sa market ang Zenny's products. So yan nga, tingnan nyo po ang brand namin, ang Zenny's. At ito po ay mabibili nyo sa Shopee, Lazada, and also in all Petron Treats outlets, NLEX and SLEX. As early as now, meron na kaming 10 pesos off ng mga products namin. And also, we have the bundle promo. Ito, for only 500 pesos, magkakaroon ka na ng 4 na klase na Zenny's products. Pwede ka mamili ng gusto mong flavor ng peanuts. And syempre, matitikman mo rin yung aming lime and spices. Also with purple sweet potato. Sana i-enjoy nyo. Support local, eat local.
What do you mean? This one? This one? Ano na yun, since 1 o'clock pa yan, lahat yung mga tumutulo andyan eh. So, but the flavor is not, may kita mo naman sa texture. It's really easy. And then the smoked chorizo, that's our direct Chinese style. Thank you very much. Please go to the other side for the purchasing.
Mini ice cream, sir.
Mini ice cream, anong flavor yan?
Meron po kaming cookies, choco, and matcha, bubblegum, coffee, then ano po to? Avocado and ube.
Hello, good afternoon. Thank you for coming the DTI Food Festival. My name is Christopher Bautro, the owner of Labianos Food Philippines. Now, narito po sa booth po namin, meron kaming sari-sari na pwede naming i-offer sa inyo. Meron kaming kiwi, cherries, dates, meron kaming dandelion honeys, meron kaming chicken pastil, the best seller po namin, ang chicken pastil po natin. So ang chicken pastil po natin po ay kami po ang talaga sa brand talaga namin na i-introduce namin sa inyo, at saka yung aming chili garlic. Chili garlic at saka chicken pastil.
Yan po
Yes, new product po namin, at saka best seller po namin dito sa Flavianos. Pwede po tayo mag-shop sa TikTok at saka sa Lazada, at saka nasa Santa Rosa, Laguna lang po ang aming factory po nito.
Bali, ito po yung Rihanna's Bakery po from Marinduque po. Bali, ito po yung best seller namin. Meron po kaming original flavor and may pinipig po. Bali, meron din po kaming premium. So, ito po, low sugar. Cocoa sugar po yung gamit namin dito. Bali, sukan tuba po siya sa nyug po.
Our product po is Pilinats. My name is Ashley Jude Ticlio and our product is Pilinat candies from Bicol region po. Our best seller po is the crispy with honey.
Pwede ipakita?
This one.
100.
Ano po yan?
With honey po. Best seller po. You can order it po through our Facebook page.
Ano po, same products po from Davao. Then, pag Davao po is, kilala po yung durian. Durian cake po tayo. Tapos, may product po tayo na process po na durian, Tawarima durian. Best seller po ng durian, na process tsaka dried durian. Then, may vacuum freeze dried durian po tayo. Then, mayroon din po vacuum freeze dried mango po. Tapos, ito po, durian candy, dried durian, tsaka candy yima po na regular, flavor lang. Ay, walang flavor po na, candy. Meron po tayo sa, sa Lazada, and then sa TikTok, then sa Facebook page po, meron din. Sa din po, meron din tayo sa, yung main po, is sa Davao po, yung branch po. Sa Davao, saan nyo yun? Kalinan po, and then sa Tondo, dito sa Manila po.
From Celestine Food Products po kami, I'm Shea Arguson from Liliw, Laguna. And products po namin, main product is banana chips. Ito po yung main product namin. Nag-e-export na din po kami. Banana chips and kamote chips. And for this event po, meron kaming, ito ang aming dinala dito, Shing-a-ling. We have 3 products po, Shing-a-ling na sweet and onion, and then Shing-a-ling na original, and then yung pong naubos, ito, Shing-a-ling salt and vinegar. Ito po yung naubos na. Then located po kami, ang planta po ay nasa Liliw, Laguna. You can search po yung aming FB page, Celestine Food Product. Available din po sa Shopee. Discounted po yung products natin for hanggang ngayon po. Bukas po, balik na po tayo sa original price. Ito pong Shing-a-ling ay, originally ito ay 45. Binigay ko na lang po ito ng 3 for 100. Itong banana chips na ganito po, 55, 2 for 50 na lang. And then meron pa po tayong malaking pack. Ito ay half kilo. Original price 120, 100 ko na lang po ito binigay dito. Last day po ngayon, sana makahabol pa.
Ito po ang pinakang best seller namin sa aming company. This one po is itong creamy herbal coffee at saka yung honey po, this one. Ito po siya. Ito po ang pinakang best seller sa amin, itong dalawang to. May Lazada po kami at may FB kami. I-search nyo lang po ang creamy herbs. Lalabas na po doon yung lahat ng product namin. Nandun po siya lahat.
Hi sir! Nandito po tayo ngayon ang Sansera Herbal Oil ng Pampanga. Nandito po ngayon sa SM Mega Mall. Ang Sansera Herbal Oil ay gawa sa mga halamang gamot. Meron siyang luyang dilaw, at meron siyang pansit-pansitan, sampasampalukan, oregano, bayabas at marami pang iba. Kaya naman ang Sansera Herbal Oil ay mabisa sa mga pananakit ng katawan, back pain, shoulder pain, neck pain, sa mga hindi makakatulog, masakit ang ulo, migraine. So yan guys, ang best seller natin ay ang mint fresh at saka yung lavender. Ito yung lavender at ito yung mint fresh. Alright guys. So yan, ipahid lang. Sa mga di makakatulog, ipahid sa likod. Ipahid din sa ulo. Yan, makakatulog na kayo. Sa mga pananakit ng katawan, number 1 po siya. Sa mga stress dyan, sa mga depressed, ipahid nyo lang. Nakaginhawa po siya ang Sansera Herbal Oil. TikTok, Facebook, yan makikita nyo. Sansera Herbal Oil.
Ano yan kuya? Free o may bayad? May bayad. May bayad. Kala ka free.
Hi po! Welcome to Chichay Kitchenette. So Chichay Kitchenette features gourmet sardines po in a jar. So si Chichay Kitchenette has 3 flavors po. Isang classic, isang spicy, and also we have yung garlic with a twist. Kaya po siya garlic with a twist is meron po siyang hint ng citrusy flavor because of the lemon, and also meron po siyang mild kick ng spicy po. So if you want to buy our products po, our main platform of selling po is online through Facebook. You can like and follow us po sa Chichay Kitchenette page po natin, and there you can have it po. It's good paired with rice, with pasta, and even papa. So, hopefully you can check our products po. For today's event po, regular SRP natin is at 160. Some of the market po, they sell it for 200 to 220. But for us, it's at 160. But for the event po, we have a promotional po na 2 for 300 or 3 for 450. So parang you're purchasing it at 150 each.
Maso Chef Cafe, we are located at Taguig, and we're offering our product, our baked sushi, the #1 seller, and we have our merienda, we have our lasagna, the rice meal, and the baked macaroni. Best seller namin, sir, this one, the baked sushi Kanibi. Yeah. It goes with the nori sheet. You can visit our website, our Facebook, Maso Chef Cafe, and direct PMR.
Hello. Ito po yung sa Rosarios Delicacies. Ang best seller po nila is Durian Bites and this tablea. Ito po. Mabibili po ito sa Lazada or Shopee, meron din po sila dito. And then, sa Davao po product.
Dulce Possible, ang aming brands po. Tapos, ang best seller namin is dark chocolate and pili, Rice Krispie. Yun po ang namin.
Welcome po sa Sweet Sis Food Product po from Rizal, Laguna. Meron po tayo dito mga traditional biscuits. Ang pinaka po natin dito is garlic bread. Pinaka best seller natin. Garlic bread, less sugar. And meron din po tayong mga sugar na. At meron din po tayong puto seco. Murang-mura lang po. May 50 pesos pa bawa po tayo. 50 pesos from 200 pesos.
Hello po. We are Napoleons po from Dagupan po, Punuan Dagupan. We have spicy daing po, original daing, beef yakiniku, bangus karaage, and chicken karaage po. Best seller po namin is bangus karaage and chicken karaage po. Bangus karaage, sir, is belly part po siya ng bangus cut into small pieces. Marinated na po, and nakahiwalay po yung breading to ensure na real meat siya. And good for 1 year po, basta naka-freezer po. Chicken karaage naman po namin is leg part po siya ng manok. Cut into small pieces. Boneless na po siya. Lahat po siya is ready to cook na po. Yung mga karaage po namin is available po siya sa Robinsons, GrabMart, Marketplace, Unimart po. Yung bangus po namin na mga daing is meron po kaming online Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And you can order directly po from us.
Hello po, ako po sa Magcook Araro Cookies from Samal, Bataan po. Yung mga products po namin is Araro Cookies po. Meron din po kaming brownie brittle, meringue, saka po mga other cookies po. Meron po kaming classic flavor na Araro Cookies. Meron po kaming strawberry. Ito naman po yung purple yam. Meron din po kaming Araro de Cacao. And ito po yung best seller po namin, yung cashew Araro cookies po. Pwede po sila mag-order sa Facebook page po namin. So pwede po kami mag-deliver within Metro Manila din po. Kung nasa province po sila, pwede naman po kung accessible naman for bus ship.
Alright, Chef Jam, why don't you join me here at the center? Let everybody see the famous chef that we've all been waiting for. Can you give him another warm welcome, folks?
So nice to see everyone, huh?
Yes, yeah, it's different when it's here on stage, huh?
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Mayang magandang hapon, very much.
Alright, and Chef, I believe you just greeted them in Kapampangan,
yes.
No? Yes. Is that where you came from, Chef?
Yes, I'm from Pampanga, Angeles City.
Angeles City?
Full-blooded.
Full-blooded. Any Kapapangans here in the audience? Wow, alright, sir, loud and proud. Okay, wonderful. So Chef, before we get to your live cooking demonstration, which we are all very excited for, is there anything you'd like to say to the audience before we begin?
First of all, I would like to congratulate DTI. This is not an ordinary event. Napakalaki at napakahirap. Palakpakan po natin sila.
Okay, and we are now at Hall 3 of the SM Mega Trade Hall. So lahat ng tao na kumakain po dito, can you make some noise? Okay, kumakain pa sila. One more time, lahat ng tao po dito sa Mega Trade Hall 3, make some noise! yung sumigaw dito sa gitna eh. Alright, so we're gonna ask a trivia question, and if you get the answer correct, you're gonna get our featured book.